Hey guys, I am super excited to be starting this new series, Essential Oils 101. So to start off, we are going to start with the very basics. For any of you that may not know anything about essential oils, this is for you. So to begin, what essential oil is every plant has its own composition. Every plant has different properties in it that make it live, that make it grow, that make it able to stand whatever climate it is in. So the properties of these plants can be extracted into an essential oil, where they distill the oils from the plants and they use high heat and high pressure to separate the plant from the oil. People have been using essential oils for years. You can look into history. The ancient Greeks used them, the Egyptians used them, they found them in their tombs, even the Indians used them. That's what they did before they had modern medicine. So we can still use them and benefit from their properties though now today. So there are 3 different ways that we can use essential oils. The first is through the aroma, to inhale them. And if you know anything about aromatherapy, is that when you inhale them, it goes into the membranes of your nose, and you can actually benefit from the chemical makeup of the plant just through breathing it. The smell, just smelling it, can help induce you into a different emotional state. So people even used essential oils like during biblical times when they were worshiping and wanted to be in a state of reverence. So it's super cool because they use incense. But when we're inhaling oils, we can inhale them out of the bottle, we can put a drop in our hand and smell them like this, and we can even diffuse them in a diffuser so we can smell them throughout our room or throughout our house. The second way of using oils is topically, and the best ways to use them is on your pulse points, so they go into your bloodstream and they can actually go in there as fast as 30 seconds. And that's because the chemical makeup of the essential oil allows it to penetrate into your skin so quickly. So the best places I like to put them are on my wrist, behind my ears, my temples, the back of my neck or my spine, and on your feet, in your hands. And there's actually reflexology charts, if you want to go into more depth with that show you different places to put them to help different places of your body. But it's all through your hands and feet, so that's super cool. And the last way is through ingesting the oil. And this is something I would not recommend doing with just any type of essential oil. I've used a few different brands and companies, and I decided that I really like doTERRA just because I've had the best results from the doTERRA oils. They are also certified therapeutic grade oils. So they are all organic, and you don't ever have to worry about intaking something that might not be good for you. And most oils are okay to intake, but it will say on the bottle if not. Some people don't like the smell from the oils, so it may be a better option for them to just intake them instead of put them on, or just smell the smell because they don't like it. So that is all for today. I hope that you were able to learn something new that you may not have known. Subscribe so you can keep up to date and see all the new videos right when they're coming out. Let me know in the comments what your favorite way is to use essential oils, and I will see you next time. Bye.